How to get DoorDash working promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Now type in DoorDash promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you working promo codes for DoorDash. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Time Magazine. After you open it, you're gonna find great deals and offers. You can just scroll down and check 25% off, 50% off, $10 off, and so on. Now you can head towards any of the offer that you want to use. Just click on this option, so coupon. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it. Now you can head towards the website of DoorDash, make your order, and whenever you check out, apply this code and get the discount. So I have selected $10 off. If you want to use this code right away, click on this option, View Discount at DoorDash. With that, you will be directed to the official website of DoorDash. Now you can log into your account, make your order, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. Also, you can try these offers. Likewise, make sure you go through these websites, as this website will also provide you tons of promo codes and coupon codes for DoorDash. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can get DoorDash working promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.